Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my membership program, which is all about coaching and mentoring new tax pros, people who are looking to start a career and business in this industry for the first time. This program was designed for you and mine versus the person that already has experience working for a tax firm. This coaching program was mainly designed for the new tax pro, regardless if you already work for a tax firm or not. It doesn't make a difference. But when I created this coaching program in 2020, it was really all about the new person who had no prior training or experience in this career industry who wanted to start a business in this career industry and didn't want to do it by themselves. And so if that's you, this mentorship and coaching program was designed for you and mine. It's also for the person that already has prior training experience working for a tax firm, want to go to the next level by starting their own tax preparation service. So if you take advantage of this membership program where I work with you for 18 months, even though you only make 6 payments of 197, you work with me for 18 months. I help build a foundation for success for you where I'm gonna have you profitable in your first year. As long as you take action on the things I suggest you do, you'll be successful. But the key to success is taking action, 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 and more action. So a lot of people say knowledge is power. It only is power if you utilize that knowledge in the way it's intended to be used, and that's the only way you're gonna get the power. And so when it's all said and done, this here premium coaching program for new tax pros, what you'll get over the next 18 months is an opportunity to have your business up and running before tax season with the training needed. And the two main focuses that we talk about is acquiring the knowledge and skills to be able to do the taxes and the professional software to do the work with. Those are the two main focuses that we work on right now into tax season. The paperwork portion is simple. It speaks for itself. We don't have to cover that in detail because once I walk you through that, you understand what that's all about and we keep it moving. But the two main things that's long term that you must practice and work on for the rest of your career in this industry of tax preparation and taxation is gaining the knowledge, getting good at that, being able to help people with the knowledge, and mastering the professional software that's going to allow you to do the work more efficiently and more quicker and more faster because we do work with software. And so, my opinion, whatever software you're trying to use, if it's not user friendly first, then something you can afford, it's going to be an issue. And so, that's my opinion when it comes to software in general, that it be user friendly first. And then, number two, you can make a way to afford it. And so, what I do for the clients that work with me right now, I have professional software that's user friendly first, and it's $997. So since they're part of my coaching program, they get payment options, meaning they don't have to have $1,000 up front. They get the software. They just make a 40% deposit on the software and pay the rest during tax season. That's the benefit of working with me versus just buying it outright through the vendor that sells it on the website. Is that if you're part of my coaching program, you're going to get the software made affordable to you with payment options. And if buying it outright for $997 is a problem, then great, go for it, get it on out the way. So when tax season comes, all the money you generate, you won't have no debts on the back end for having to pay for different things. So if you want to take action and you want to be ready for the upcoming tax season, this is the quickest and most efficient way to make it happen for yourself. And what I need you to do is hit me at 773-782-1320 so we can talk, chat. Let me answer all your questions and concerns about what it's going to take for you to be ready for the upcoming tax season, taking it that we have barely 2 months left in the season before we hit January. And then from there, we'll definitely have a due date on when the tax season officially starts. And you want to be ready. The momentum that's going to be coming in January, you want to be able to ride that wave by being ready with the confidence in your ability to do basic income taxes and your ability to use the professional software efficiently to knock out as many tax returns as you can get clients through the door is the key to that. And so if you master the software, you got the confidence in your ability to do basic income taxes, that's going to make a big difference when it comes to going out here talking to people and letting them know, hey, here's one of my cards. Let them know, hey, I specialize in working with self-employed and small business owners to maximize profit through their tax deductions or tax write-offs. Whatever you need to say to help them understand what you truly do is better than giving them a title. So in this coaching program, I give you everything you need to be successful. I help remove all the guesswork on what you do next. I remove all the guesswork on where we go next. Everything is laid out for you as you can take it in. Is how I give it to you. I don't cram a whole lot of stuff down your mouth and expect you to remember. I give it to you based on your ability to handle it, your ability to comprehend and interpret the information. Is how I feed it to you. And so if you're a person who is very well and very adjusted and very good at understanding and comprehending and interpreting this information, where you showing me through the practice problems that you're learning that this is not a problem for you. Give it to me, then I'm gonna give it to you. If you're the person that don't have that uh, fortitude to be able to do it that way, then that's fine too. So take advantage of this limited time offer. Um, this here, 197 to 6 months with 18-month access to me. And I have a partnership program that's unique in the sense that a lot of different companies are doing revenue splits, but the difference between my partnership program with the revenue split versus everyone else's is that it's a one-way split, meaning everyone else's partnership program revenue split, you get so much off everything that you bring in versus you making so much off what you bring in together. So I got two tiers in the partnership program. I have tier one for $597 one-time payment with 60/40, meaning if I go out and do 25 new clients next year, you get 40% of that 25 new clients. I get the 60 costs I brought them in. But if you bring 25 new clients in on your side, you get the 60 and I get the 40. And so that's the unique difference in the revenue split program that I'm implementing for the first time ever for the upcoming tax season, is that we both benefit from our efforts of going out and getting new clients. And this only applies to new clients. It don't apply to the clients that I already have. It don't apply to the clients you already have. It only apply to new money only. And so that's the difference between that, on top of the fact that we split the revenue uh, share both ways, which no one is doing that I've heard about yet. And if you know someone that's doing it both ways, let me know so I can go check it out to see what's really going on, because no one wants to share their revenue with you in that way. They want to leverage that, hey, they got the infrastructure already set up. They're going to allow you to work under their infrastructure, their business credentials, and they hope that you can get your peach in, which is simple, 1 day process, and they hoping you got enough clientele where they can make enough money from you to even to be bothered with you. Is the real truth about it all. They just ain't gonna tell you like that. And so when it comes to those different websites that have these different tiers and different revenue splits, those are one-way splits, meaning they're not gonna share their new money with you, but you have to share your new money with them. And that's the big difference between my revenue share program, which is implemented for the first time in January of 2023. So if you want to learn more about that, reach out to me again from 773-782-1320. You can text that number as well. You can email me. All my contact information is inside all my videos as usual. And so if you're a part of my email list, if you're a part of my subscriber base, if you're a part of my uh, customer circle, you already know about the different things that's happening, because I send out information on a regular basis, keeping you updated on what's happening in the industry as they come available. And so if you want to stay in the know, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. If you do, please share with other people who you believe might be interested in what I have to offer. Even you might not be interested, but you might know people that want a career and business model in this industry, and it might not just be you. So think about other people when you run across different videos and different resources and different tools that can help people that you know may be already looking for them, and you might come across them and say, hey, I ran across this video with a guy who has a premium coaching program. I believe that can help you. He's giving you permission to reach out, talk to him. He can answer all your questions, concerns about what it's going to take to get started. And from there, you can decide if this is the right fit for you or not. And boom, that's what I'm asking all the people that watch my videos to do, is to share my content with people you believe can benefit from it on some level, based on a desire to start their own tax preparation business, B, a desire to make extra income, because you don't have to start your own tax preparation business to make extra income in this industry. You can simply partner with me to be able to make extra income. And from there, that might grow into a bigger desire to have your own income tax business one day. I don't know. Only you can decide that. And I'll just see you in my next video.